So if you're very sour about government not giving you this baby support grant, then you go Hello parents, welcome to Money Saving Daddy channel. In the previous video, we talked about baby support grant.
More parents will receive a one-off $3,000 grant.
So I think I should let new parents know what is this support and what is the government giving to us new parents. It's until recently then I realized that actually the government gives quite a good sum of money for parenthood lah, for having newborns. How much is the government giving this baby bonus to parents? So the baby bonus is divided into two parts. The baby bonus cash gift, second part is the CDA. So baby bonus cash gift, for your first two baby, the government is giving this cash of $8,000, 8,000块, okay, not 3,000, not 1,000, okay, 8,000 块. So this $8,000, it is given in schedules, it's given in milestone, not one shot give you one, okay. So this $8,000 is divided into, so for the first week or 10 days, you'll be given this $3,000 when you join this scheme. Then when your baby turns 6 months, they'll give you this 1,500. Then 12 months, another 1,500. Then 15 months, 1,000. When your baby is 18 months, they will give you the last 1,000. So total 8,000. Then the baby support grant, right, which you all keep, sour grape about like myself, right? That is actually given in cash, but not now, not immediate come out give. This is given in 1st of April 2021. You all never read, right? I also never read. 1st of April, April Fool's Day, they'll give you this $3,000 deposit into your account. Then that is baby bonus cash. Next is CDA, the baby bonus CDA account, baby bonus child development account. You will get your first 3K from the government. 3K, the government also will match dollar for dollar up to 3K if you deposit money into this account. Total is 6K. So 6K plus the baby bonus 8K, 6 plus 8, 14K. Government give you 14K and the baby support grant for 17K. So if you're very sour about government not giving you this baby support grant, then you go pa then after that you can get this $3,000. What? So $14,000, right? It's actually like 4,000 plus of $3 chai peng. You know, every day eat one packet, you eat for 12 years. So one tip for this CDA account, this match up $3,000, right? Once you get your first $3,000, you can also top up with us, right? You pay this $3,000 for confinement nanny lah. Because just nice man, this $3,000 Akong give one, Akong give, you give nanny. So you don't feel painful about giving this $3,000 for confinement nanny lah. Okay. So in our subsequent videos, we also talk about confinement nanny, why we hire one or why we didn't hire one for our second baby. These are the grants and bonus that the government is giving on top of the baby support grant 3K. Okay, there are actually much more. You have the parenthood tax, you have your childcare relief, everything. We will share with you more in our subsequent videos, but remember, just like and subscribe our videos so that you can receive all this information. I see my baby crying already. I gotta go. You see this baby crying, angry already. I talk too much. She angry already. Okay, coming. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.